Bueno, como esta reunión, como la lengua de esta reunión es el inglés, voy a hablar un poco en inglés. Yo creo que casi todos aquí, o todos aquí, entienden el inglés, ¿no? We warned you already that we were going to do an introduction to verbal expression in the Basque Country. So in order to introduce you to verse making or versolaritza in the Basque Country, we're going to show you a short video to introduce you to the subject, and then I'll introduce you to one of the most reputed verse makers, versolaris of the Basque Country, who will pronounce some verses on a subject with a translator, and then we will invite the audience to pick a topic, and he will do a verse on that topic with a translation. We will make it brief, but we hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Oral communication is the principal distinguishing feature of early human societies and the seminal element of culture as we know it. With the advent of agriculture, an expansion of human groups was brought about, along with new specialized tasks and social hierarchy. Written language then arose in agricultural societies as a means to secure a more permanent record of information and rules, which became essential to manage the new order. Those successful societies which developed written language then became dominant, as did their languages. Oral communication remains as the major form of communication for many cultures. Of the world's registered 6,912 living languages, only a few hundred have found in an extensive written form, while the rest survive solely through oral transmission. In addition, oral transmission plays an essential role in social relations.
Seguru nago, ez dakit, ez daukat ikertuta eta are gutxiago esan nahi nuke beti ala denik, baina seguru nago gora behitzen dugularik zerbait pensatzen ari garela, bera behitzen dugularik gogoratzen, azken batean berso hori da, sormena eta usadioa, alegia, memoria eta irudimena.
So, it's my pleasure to introduce you, Andoni Egaña, this year's champion verse maker in the Basque Country, along with his verse translator, a unique skill that we have, somebody who will translate the Basque verses straight into English language with some coherence.
Bersolariok gure artean, txirrita gendun aipagai, ilondoren golarogei urtez, bere aipamenen bat nahi, Einstein hiltzela hemengo denok, ederki dakizute ai, 80 urte ez dira joan, baina 50 bai, baina 50 bai.
Normally, Bertolaris, we talked about Chirrita, great Bertolari, because he wanted to be a topic after 80 years he was died. And I know that all of you know Albert Einstein, and it's clear that there haven't been 80 years since he disappeared, but at least there have been 50.
Eta Alberto Galindo berriz, oso da gizon justua, ta Pedro Miguel dela tarteko, badegu zer abestua. Esku emaile gizon handi bat, esku hartzaile prestua, tamaino batek hartu du aurten napartar baten eskua.
Now I will talk about Alberto Galindo, who is a very gentle man, and if Pedro Miguel is to hear, there are many things to say, because he gives his hand quite fast, and also he takes the hands of others, and it's the first time that a Maño, in this case Galindo, has taken the hand of Pedro Miguel.
Bersolariak izan nahi nuke, zintzo eta zerbitzala. Gu bapatean aritzen gera, horixe da printzipala. Zuen artean usatu dadin, prestatuaren itzala. Jaunta Andreak zuetan horrek gaiak ipini ditzala. Gai bat ipini zazue, neronek egin dut demanda. Aurreko hile zuria, zeuzkan guztiak emanda. Bersolarien artean lege, betidanik hau izan da. Ez badakigu libratzen gera, ez dakigula esan da.
It's me who have asked you a topic, and the white-haired man just in front of me has given me the last one he had. But Bertolaris, we have a tradition or a law that says that in case we do not know anything about the topic, we just say that we don't know.
Though we're also home and dry. We're also home and dry.
Ezin ninteke mintzatu, zientzilarien antzera, naiz sarritan begiratu, hortzi mugaren ertzera. Horko zulo beltz, hango energi, alperrikan ari gera, hemen zuloak behan dauzkagu, zunun Kristo bizi zera.
You know, I cannot talk as a scientist, even if sometimes I look to the sky and far away. And what are you doing looking for holes and energies far away in the sky? Here, the holes normally are under us.
Baina konfiantza daukat, zientziaren esanean, zuloak arakatuaz, segizazute lanean. Bersolariak onenak gera, janean ta edanean, eta zulo beltz bihurtzen gera, maian jartzen geranean.
Anyway, I have confidence on sciences, so let's go on working and analyzing holes. You know, Bertolaris, we are very good, we are the best drinking and eating, and we are absolutely like black holes when we are close to a table. If you have any other topic, Andoni says that he would answer to something.
Sacred and profane love.
Amodio sakratua eta profanoa. Maitasun sakratua eta profanoa.
Maitasun sekretua sakratua. Burutapen bat etorria zait, gai hori entzun orduko. Neronek ere maitasunen bat, sentitu izan dut gertuko. Baina maitasun sakratu denei, beti egin diet uko, eta nerea sakratu balitz, enizuke onartuko.
When I have heard the topic, I've had an idea, because it's true that I have felt a kind of love. But I have to say that I don't believe, or I don't like sacred love, but I would add that if you think that my love is sacred or something like that, I wouldn't accept it from you.
Beste gauza bat esan behar dut, gogorra da ta alare. Nik maitasuna sentitu ohi dut, sarri asko parez pare. Sakratu eta lurtar agian, bi maitasunak badaude, nik neronena bizi nahi nuke, hainbeste mailarik gabe.
I have to add another thing, even if it's quite hard, because it's true that I've fallen in love too. I know that there are so many kind of loves, God love or love in our planet, but I would like to live my love, and I don't matter with other levels.
Iruditzen zait filosofian, joan gerala urruna. Lurtiarra da maitasun bat ta, sakratua da lurruna. Nien naiz beti maite minduko, aitortzen dizut laguna. Maitasuna ere zulo beltz bat da, irentsi egiten zaituna.
It's quite difficult, this topic, anyway. So just, I think that we have gone far away in philosophy, and so I would like to end by saying that I would never be going on always staying or falling in love, because even if love is like a black hole that takes you completely. So another topic, but just for one Bertso maybe. You understand?
Where I am going.
Where I am going. Yeah. Bai, bai. Ulertzen duzu, ez? Bueno.
Orain inglesez egin didazu, Quo vadisen galdera, ez dakit ziur hegoaldera, edota iparraldera. Garapenaren aitzak isarri, degu konsumoa bera, ta harremanek harremanxek, egina dute gainbera, uretan Bertatikan gatoz gu eta goaz elkar itotzera, goaz elkar itotzera.
So you have asked me Quo Vadis now in English, and I don't know where we are going, to the north or to the south. And the progress has had so many pretexts. And just to give an answer, I know that we come from the water and that we are sinking. You understand? That was quite difficult to translate, but we are sinking together.
Neronek hori galdetu gabe, ez dut pasatzen arratxik, eta sekula ez dut egingo, horrein erantzun narratxik, konsumoaren gizarte hontan, okerka bai goaz kasik, etorkizuna zuen eskutan, balego nengoke pozik, baina ez dago zuen eskutan, dirudunen esku baizik, dirudunen esku baizik.
You know, I wonder the same question every day in my life, and I never find a good answer, because this consumistic society is going down, and you know, if the future were in your hands, I'll be happy. But I'm not so happy because the future is in the hands of rich people.
Baina badaukat konfidantzanik, gure buruta zangoaz, eta ongian sinisten duen, jende zintzo on mordoaz, zure galdera erdi zeharka, erantzuteko asmoaz, gaur baliatu behar dut nere, mutil zar baten susmoaz, gutxi minotik omen gatozta, futbolera omen goaz, futbolera omen goaz.
But I have confidence on ourselves, and I trust on good people. And I would like to answer your question more or less. So I have an idea, as I have spent 40 years in my life, to say that we came up from the monkey, and we go to the soccer matches.
Gai batzuk ipiniak, maitatik handan ba, gero ailegatu zait, erantzunen txanda. Nik enuen egin nahi, gure propaganda, okerredota zuzen, nereak esan da, zuekin egotea, placer bat izan da.
You have prompted some topics and some ideas, and I have tried to answer them as possible. I didn't wanted to say anything bad about you or anything good about me. I've said everything it was possible, and I could only say to finish that it has been a pleasure to stay here with you. Thank you very much.